Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 8th chapter, that is reproduction and adolescence. Students, in previous video already we have discussed about that what is the sexual reproduction in humans. But students, before going to this, also you have to think about that how that reproductive organs or new cells are producing. So that process, what is that, how we are getting, we have to get the knowledge about it. So for that, students, one terms already I have discussed, fertilization. What do you mean by fertilization? Fertilization क्या है? Fertilization means it is one process. Fertilization nothing but it is one process. The process in which the male gametes, that means sperm, and female gametes, that is egg or ovum, they are joined, they are fusion and forming a new individual. That process is called as fertilization. That means, what is the definition? The process of male gametes and female gametes are fused. Okay, that is called as a fertilization. There are two types of fertilization. Already I have previous video already I have discussed. And there one is internal fertilization, another one is external fertilization. What do you mean by internal fertilization? Internal means inside the female body. Okay, that fertilization which can take place, or that process which take place inside the female body, that means internal. Okay, that process is called as internal fertilizations. That means, for example, human beings, cow, goat, whatever they are doing that this fertilization, by that this all are called as a internal fertilization. Okay, so external fertilization is, that means the process which the fertilization which take place outside of the body. Okay, female body. That means, suppose you have idea about that, friends. Fish, frog, they are external. That means they will lay the eggs and the sperm, and they will be in the outside. That may be water or then the leaves or whatever outside of that body, it will be takes place. Okay, so let us discuss about that, what is the internal fertilization and what is the fertilization in this video. So see students, first of all you write down that definition. What is the fertilization? Already I have given, but also you have to write again. The process of fusion of male and female gametes is called fertilization. याद रखो see students, male and female gametes. Male gamete कौन सा है? That is sperm. And what is that female gametes? That is called as a ovum or eggs. So when they will join, fusion means join, and when they will join together, okay, that will be form zygote. Okay, that is new individual thing, for new cell will form, that is called as a zygote. That is first individual cell, first cell of that new individual. Okay, which one the child will form, that first cell is called as this. Okay, that is zygote. So now I already have told there are two types of fertilization in the video, last video, but first we are going to discuss about that internal fertilization. Internal fertilizations are take place in the human bodies, cow, goat. Okay, so first we will discuss about that. What is the internal fertilization? Fertilization take place inside the female body and is there, therefore it is called as internal fertilization. The fertilization which are take place inside the female body. Okay, that fertilization is called as a internal fertilization. Okay. During the internal fertilization, the male gametes sperm and the female gametes egg fuse or join to form a structure is called as a zygote. What you should say? That you should say zygote. And the zygote is the first cell of a new individual. Whatever the cell will form, one human beings or cow or calf or whatever any new birth or new child will form, that first cell is called as a zygote, because when the sperm and egg they will join or fuse, at that time which cell will form, that is called as a zygote. Okay, so what is that, how their zygotes are forming or new that cell, first cell is forming, we will discuss by the structure I have drawn, that you observe here, friends. Already I have told, friends, ovum is like a oval shape, that means like a eggs like a rounded shape. Okay, but sperm just like this. Okay, so this is sperm. So this, now how they are combining, how their zygotes are forming, we have to discuss. So you should see this big picture rounded shape is called as what? Egg or ovum. And here I have drawn that, what is that, friends? This is the sperm. Okay, these sperms are, you observe that, friends, Here these are the all sperm. Okay, and these sperms are trying to enter into that what is that, ovum or the egg. So you see this is one sperm. Okay, and this sperm, now here this much distance is there, you are trying to come. Now second phase, third phase, it is near to that cell, the wall, that border, and then after it enter into it, next last, what is that here, sperm. Now this one sperm and eggs, that cell head that is entered to that inside. Okay, now after that nuclei of the eggs or ovum and a nuclei of the what is that sperm, they are jointed and they form the zygote. This is last is the zygote. Did you understand? First of all, this sperm enter, trying distance is there, slowly it is coming to inside near, next touch to the here, then enter, then after total nucleus are entered to that what eggs inside. Okay, then after they are combined fusion of the two nuclei, and then after they form the what is that zygote. Okay, this is the real about near about that whole part about that how the zygotes are formed. Okay, now one terms are coming, students, fetus. What do you mean by fetus? Fetus means a young human being or an animal before birth is known as fetus. Okay, what is that child is inside that its mother or in its mother's stomach, that is called as a fetus. Okay, that means from the young human being or animal before birth before that, we cannot say it is a child because we don't know about that. So inside that stomach, whatever that nuance is there, that is called as a fetus. Okay, and next term is another one, students, pregnancy. What do you mean by pregnancy? The period from the fertilization to the birth, the period from the fertilization to birth, known as the pregnancy. Okay, that means see, when that two male gametes and female gametes will form the zygote, that means see, it starts that fertilization. Okay, from that period to up to birth, the new youngs come out or the fetus come out. That periods, total whole periods are called as a what is that pregnancy, and near about that 9 months it is the duration that it will stay inside the mother stomach. Okay, so this whole about that what is that our fertilization and what is the internal fertilization, how that zygotes are forming, this is a cycle about that. Okay students, thank you all of you, have a nice day.